All right, Scott Bernhard, Bernard, talk to the people, man. Let them know what's getting ready to go down.
What's good, man? It's your boy Scott Bernhard, aka the Vegan Beast, and I'm about to show you guys something very special today, all right? Because a lot of people ask me, Scott, how do you manage to get a six-pack? How do you manage to get so lean and look so defined and cut? I mean, for one, I eat very well. I eat very well, vegan. And two, I train my core. I tend to isolate my core a lot. Even though I do a lot of compound movements, you know, that engage my core, I isolate my core, which is very important. And also, today, I'm gonna show you guys a epic core workout that you can do anywhere. You don't need a gym, you can just do it in your house, anywhere, anytime, don't matter, no gym, no problem, all right? So let me explain to you guys, right? There's 4 parts to the core. You have the rectus abdominals, the transverse abdominals, and the inner and outer obliques. Inner obliques, outer obliques, rectus abdominis, transverse, right here. And also the serratus anterior. It comes into play sometimes. But anyways, we're gonna work all 4 parts of the core today. All 4 parts of the abs today. All right, so all I need you guys to do is just get a mat and follow me. You see right here, this is my mat right now, my shirt. All right, so we're gonna get it in. We're gonna do at least 10 to 15 reps of each workout, and I'm gonna call it out as we go, all right? Make sure I'm not gonna burn myself. All right, we good? All right, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do 15 bicycles, all right? And make sure after each set, you rest 5 to 10 seconds. You wanna keep on going for the hypertrophy. You don't wanna wait too long, all right? Chase the pump. Let's get ready. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. All right? Now we're going to do something called bicycle hold. A 3-second bicycle hold. We're going for 15 reps. This is going to really burn. Watch out. Go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, 9. 1, 2, 3, 10. 1, 2, 3, 11. 1, 2, 3, 12. 1, 2, 3, 13. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 14. And 15. Woo! I'm feeling it already. It's a very advanced move. All right, now we're gonna put our hands by our lower back so we can protect it, and make sure you drive the lower back into the ground so you don't end up like this. You see this right here? This is damaging your lower back. You're not working your core. You're overcompensating. You want to isolate the core, drive it in. Now let's go. For the kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so we did 10. Now I'm going to teach you an advanced move. We're going to do rotated flutter kicks right here. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo! Oh my gosh. So the rotation is causing a different spectrum within the core workout itself. Instead of you just being stagnant here, now that you're rotating, you're causing muscle confusion. Now let's go, scissor kicks. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Woo! Stay with me, y'all. Stay with me. Now let's go. We're switching it up, alternating toe touch. Hands out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bubble. 5, 4. Keep going. 6. Oh. Keep going. 5 more. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. All right, let's go. Good, good. Another 5 more extra. It ain't over, baby. It ain't over. Now let's go. We're doing in and outs, in and outs. Don't worry, we're gonna get to the oblique soon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Woo! That's good money, that's good money. All right, get ready now. I'm gonna teach you something called the dragonfly step-ups. Very advanced move, but this is gonna rip your core to shreds before we get to the obliques. 1, 2, 3, so 1, 2, 3, go. Keep going. 1, 2, 3. Dragonfly step-ups. 3, 4, 5. Woo! Come on. 6. 7. Woo! 8. Oh my gosh. This ain't easy, man. Let's go, 2 more. Last one. Now hold it. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Good job. It ain't over, y'all. It ain't over. Now I need you to come here. We're gonna do some side planks. We're gonna really target those obliques. We're gonna hold it for 10 seconds, and then we're gonna dive it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Whatever you do on the left, you do on the right. Going over to the next side. I'm sweating like I stole something, y'all. Let's get it. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now dip it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. We're almost there. We're almost there, but almost don't cut it. Almost don't cut it. Now let's go. Put our hands on the mat. Now we're gonna do some oblique step-ups. We're gonna really work it. Let's go. Give it 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 10 more, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! All right. It ain't over, good money. It ain't over. If you want it, you gotta work for it. Nothing comes overnight. All right? We got 2 more movements left. All right? Coming into the plank. But we're still working those obliques. So now we're gonna twist it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job, y'all. Good job. It ain't over. Let's finish up. Let's finish up the right way. Let's finish up the right way. Let's finish up the right way. We're gonna do 10 burpees. We're gonna do 10 burpees. Let's finish up. 10 burpees. Burpees is a full body workout, but you're really gonna engage your core. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Oh baby, abs on fire! Listen, there's a reason why they call me Bernhard. Abs on fire. Transverse, abdominals, rectus abdominals, in and out of obliques work. I feel it. Hypertrophy, gains, everything. Oh my God. Woo! I want you to try this workout, all right? Share this workout with anybody, any and everybody. This is beginner friendly. Change up the reps. Advanced, change up the reps, and keep it going, man. Listen, it's real. I'm out of breath right now.
All right, y'all. This was a nice six-pack abs workout that you could do at home.
Yes.
From Scott Bernhard Bernard. Make sure y'all subscribe to his YouTube channel.
Yes.
Follow him on Instagram.
Yes.
Links will be in the description box. Go ahead.
One more thing, please. Do not be afraid to ask me questions. I'm very active on my Instagram, very active on YouTube. Send me a message, and I'll help you out.
Leave them in the comment section, man. Scott be responding to the comments, and you know, I'll be doing some Q&As with him. He'll do some on his channel,
yes.
And you know, like you said, man.
Let's get it, man. Work hard, burn hard. Scott Bernhard, I'm signing out. Good money, salute.
Thank you, brother.